Hello, hello, hello. Hey, I just got home and I came in the house. I was just shooting a video outside of driving home and talking about this, that, and the other thing. Right. So I come in and then I put on my tricon hat. I was thinking about my hair and how it's kind of reminds me of the founding father of the country, right? Had somebody ask one time, why do you old guys that portray the 18th century always have white hair? I thought that was funny. Hilarious, I thought that was. Ooh, yeah, I was Twilight Zoning, right? All right, so if I can keep this here camera on stuff, getting ready to make me some coffee here. Don't have no pod, and ooh, get your hand out of the way, fool. Who are you calling a fool? You, get your hand off the camera. People can't see your ugly face. Right, all right, so let's do it. Now, Frenchie roast. Can you see the Frenchie, huh? Oh, you're the worst cameraman I ever did see, huh? Somebody take that camera and, well, that wouldn't be nice, would it? No, that would not. All right, let's get some coffee brewing. That'll make me feel much better. And it smells good too. Hopefully I could smell it. Because my smell has been messed up for a long time. So, my smelling ain't that great anymore. It used to be pretty good. But now my smelling don't work like it should, eh? Right. All right, well, I come in the house, and I'll be darned if I didn't have something exciting. Oh, boy, something exciting. Don't you just love it? Yes, I do. Right there. Dinga-dinga. So guess what I'm going to do? You guessed it. I'm going to drink some coffee. I'm going to eat me a hamburger because I'm starving to death for some reason. Why are you starving, Miss Dad? Well, I don't know. Got no place to hang me camera. Right offhand. Look, you're looking at it. People's having to look at the ceiling and stuff while you're trying to figure out how you